You ever notice how the most frugal people you know, the ones who clip coupons, hunt for deals, and never buy coffee outside, still seem to be stuck in the same financial place year after year? Meanwhile, that one friend who's always spending money on random stuff, courses, networking events, weird side hustles, somehow keeps getting richer? What's up with that? If you're sitting there thinking, I save every penny, why am I not rolling in cash yet? First of all, same. Second of all, let's talk about why being too frugal might actually be keeping you poor. Here's the thing. Frugality is awesome, until it's not. Saving money is smart, but if you're only focused on cutting costs, you're playing defense with your finances, and you can't win a game if you're only defending. Think about it, you can only save so much, but you can earn infinitely more. The problem isn't that you're bad with money, it's that you've been trained to see money as something to hoard, not something to grow. And that mindset is like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. You're working hard, but the water ain't rising. So how do you fix this? First, shift from a saver's mindset to an earner's mindset. Instead of asking, how can I spend less? Start asking, how can I make more? That doesn't mean you start blowing money recklessly. It means you invest in things that expand your opportunities. Buy that book. Take that course. Attend that event. Frugal people hate spending money on intangibles. But the truth is, the best investments don't come with receipts. Second, stop treating time like it's free. Frugal folks will drive across town to save $3 on gas, not realizing they just burned an hour of their life. Time they could have spent learning a skill, building a side hustle, or literally anything else that actually grows their wealth. Time is your most valuable asset, so start spending it like one. Third, embrace calculated risks. Frugal people love safety, but wealth isn't built in comfort zones. That doesn't mean gambling your life savings on crypto. It means taking smart, strategic bets. Start small. Put $50 into a side project. Test an idea. Fail fast, learn faster. The goal isn't to be reckless. It's to train yourself to see opportunities, not just expenses. Here's your challenge today. Pick one thing you've been avoiding spending money on, even though it could help you grow, and just do it. Buy the tool. Join the group. Hire the coach. Take one step toward earning, not just saving. And if you're thinking, but what if it doesn't work? Well, what if it does? At the end of the day, being frugal is a strength, but it's not the whole game. The richest people aren't the ones who pinch pennies the hardest. They're the ones who use money as fuel, not just a safety net. So stop just saving. Start building. And hey, if this resonated with you, drop a comment below with your biggest money mindset block. I'd love to hear your take. Oh, and hit subscribe if you want more real talk strategies to actually get ahead. Now go out there and make something happen. Your future rich self will thank you.